This is our last song. Thanks everybody for coming out tonight, for donating money to the Clark County Volunteer Lawyer Program, for Georgie's for hosting us and having us here, and for taking the fifth for playing first. Stars in my crown. Descending to the runway, the landscape refrains. Seen it all before, doesn't look the same. One leg on my shoulder, my walk is unsteady, move a little bit slower. I'm just not ready to put a record on. Know that I won't hear you say, wake up in the dawn. Know that you're not there next to me. If you're driving the wrong address to the other side of town, don't want to go home. Better to drive around than to put a kettle on, just enough to fill my car. Try to carry on, always on the edge of giving up. Used to fly above it all, to see into the next day, believe I'd never fall. Heaven had no gate, gold was all around us, but the hour has gotten late. Sitting on the top step outside of our home, couldn't open the door to find myself alone. Thanks, Brandon, for running sound too.